We are putting finishing touches on our white kitchen project, and we are in the stage we are just about ready to work on the backsplash. And before the backsplash goes in, I'm putting in the under cabinet lighting, and if you can see, we have no light valances here because there's actually some brilliant products on the market. And Lee Valley Tools actually have that all in stock, and they have a beautiful brochure which explains all the details and all the options and possibilities, and they are endless. So there is one option which comes with the channel, so you can actually have a strip of LED adherent tape. So it's a flexible tape you can twist and turn, and has a glue strip on the back, so that's how it gets attached. And also they have three different mounting channels, and when I've seen this flush mount one, I thought, oh, this is the solution. This is the solution for nice under cabinet lighting, because quite often I see the under cabinet lighting, the cabinet maker puts up the light valance, and then there are some surface mounted pucks or something cheap bought at I don't know where, Home Depot or IKEA, where they put things around the cable, have to be plugged in by hand in the receptacle, and that's absolutely unacceptable for me. So this is what we are doing with this kitchen. In this particular case, I actually had to run a low voltage wiring behind the drive on. You can see a little hole because that's where it came out, and I get my cabinet maker to actually make a little groove through the side panel so we can route the cable in, so you don't even see any wiring. And this switch here switches the plug below in the cabinet where the power source gets plugged in and which operates all the lights. So we have a nice groove routed on the bottom with the cable in the corner, and we are putting in this flush mount channel which comes with actually end clips. So you put the end clips here, and it comes with two different kinds of diffusers. I'm not sure if I think one is frosted and the other one is something else which I forgot, so sorry about that. And also there are two different colors of LED tape. One is warm white and one is natural white. So here I'll turn it on so you can see the difference in the color, and we are using 60 LEDs per meter with which will give us a lot of light along the way. So when you choose the light, so here's the little detail how the channel actually looks when it's attached in the groove. And when you look from the, when you stand in front, and this is the higher cabinet. When you stand at the front, you don't even see that, but it's a very clean and very sleek look. If we'll put the diffuser on, it's a really good looking detail. Sometimes I'm sorry you cannot actually. Here, I'll go down here. You cannot actually see it exposed because it really looks very, very nice when it's finished. And obviously we'll share with you when we are done how it goes and how it looks. Here we have a switched plug. So we have a plug on the backsplash area which switches on and off this plug, where we have a plugged in power source for all those LEDs. So this bundle of wires are individual wires coming from the cabinets down. So here this is the power, where you just close the door. Actually in this case it is a sorter. You close the bottom cabinet and the power is there, and here you can see the LED lights up and running, all covered up. I'll turn it off. So this is with the ends, the channel in with the diffuser. And if you go on a level of the cabinet, you cannot even see that. So we'll turn it back on. There's a little delay. And here is our under cabinet lighting, nice and flush. So only time you can actually see the channel a little bit. Now this is a 6 foot height, so this is where you can see. So if you stand in front of the cabinet, this is what you see, and if I turn it back on, this is what you get. Just 9 clean detail line of light. The diffuser almost makes the LED individual chips disappear. That's the whole point of that, and so you have everything nicely lit up. Oh, here, cool. We actually have a little reflection of the individual LEDs behind the diffuser. Actually, it shows more strongly on what I see on the screen than in the real life. Yeah, there's quite a bit of reflection here. So, you know, next time tell your clients, hey, you don't have to have a light valance, and there's a way how to make this a detail. Also, this is just in the one wall of the cabinet. You know, usually if you have no light valance, then you have a double bottom. They will add another 2 inches, drill the holes and put some pucks or any other whatever kind of lighting you choose. But here, this is it. This is it, just in one thickness, 3/4 of an inch. No problem to put in, no problem to install. Super clean, super sleek, very nice looking, and it works. It looks great and it works perfectly. So next time you do a kitchen, try this.